Good evening everyone, I am Priyanka. Let's look at today's headlines. Another case has been filed against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Friday with Governor Thawar-Chand Gehlot, accusing him of financial misconduct and misuse of state funds. The complaint, filed by BJP MLC DS Arun, accuses the Chief Minister, who is also the Finance Minister, of unlawful financial activities and providing misleading information to the legislature. The Special Investigation Team of the Criminal Investigation Department has filed a detailed charge sheet of over 2,000 pages against former Janata Dal secular MP Prajwal Revanna, accusing him of rape. His father, MLA HD Revanna, is also charged with sexual harassment. This is the first charge sheet filed among 4 sexual assault and harassment cases, and it includes statements from around 150 witnesses. The document was submitted to a special court in Bengaluru and is related to an alleged sexual assault involving a former employee of the Revanna family. Rajel Rana, the grandson of former Prime Minister HD Devegaura, has been accused of raping 4 women and recording sexual acts with more than 70 women. Reports suggest that he recorded over 2,000 such videos. The Karnataka government has announced a 25% increase in the stipend for senior resident doctors and postgraduate medical students after they threatened to go on for a strike. Medical Education Minister Charan Prakash Patil approved the hike on Friday, and it will be applied retroactively from August 1st. This decision follows a disruption in non-emergency services at government hospitals in Bengaluru, as resident doctors were on strike from August 5th to 23rd, demanding a stipend increase and a reduction in college fees. During the strike, only emergency services were available for nearly 20 days. A man accused in a gang rape of a minor in Assam's Nagaon district died in police custody at Friday night. According to the reports, Tafazul Islam, aged 24, allegedly tried to escape by jumping into a pond. He was one of the 3 accused in the gang rape of a 14-year-old girl in Dhing area of Nagaon district. Tafazul was the only one arrested so far and faced charges under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita and the POCSO Act. Ola consumer led by Bhavish Agarwal has officially reintroduced its carpooling service Ola Share on its app, nearly 4 years after it was discontinued due to COVID-19 restrictions. Nestlé SA Chief Executive Officer Mark Schneider has stepped down after almost 8 years and will be replaced by the fast-moving consumer goods company's veteran Laurent Freixe at the top spot. The decision came as the world's biggest food group struggles to grow sales and attract customers to its branded products amid persistent inflation. Shikar Dhawan announced his retirement from international and domestic cricket through a social media post on Saturday. Dhawan's last match was in April, leading Punjab Kings in IPL 2024. He retires with 2,417 in ODIs and 7 in Tests across 269 international matches. On Friday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged Ukrainian President Zelenskyy to bring both Ukraine and Russia to negotiating table to end the ongoing war. Modi emphasized India's readiness to play an active role in restoring peace. India and Ukraine signed 4 agreements on agriculture, food, industry, medicine, culture, and humanitarian aid. Modi's visit is the first by an Indian Prime Minister since Ukraine's independence in 1991, followed by his recent summit with Russian President Vladimir Putin. India and the US have signed 2 key agreements as Defense Minister Rajnath Singh began his official visit to Washington to further boost the comprehensive global strategic partnership between the 2 countries. The agreements signed on Thursday pertain to security of supplies arrangement and a memorandum of agreement regarding the assignment of liaison officers. Security of supplies arrangement ensures that both countries will give priority support for defense-related goods and services. That's all for today. For more such news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.